Hi there, welcome to Bake, Bottle, Cook, where we explore the wonderful world of baking, fermenting, pickling and cooking. I'm Yolandi and I'm so excited to share my kitchen adventures with you. From the art of baking delicious sourdough bread to the magic of creating your own sodas with water kefir. I'm here to guide you through each step, sharing tips, tricks and my recipes that will help you create amazing food at home. So whether you're a seasoned cook or starting out, there's something for everyone. We'll dive into the science of fermenting, the joy of baking, and the fun of experimenting with new flavors. So if you're ready to roll up your sleeves and get creative in the kitchen, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Together we'll discover the endless possibilities of homemade goodness. So thank you for stopping by, and I can't wait to bake, bottle, and cook with you. See you in the next video.